Thanks. I have a little problem because I have only a kit of slides and I have two presentations. So I have the solution. I have some difficulty in keep separate education from action. So I show you my slides and give you some message. Now I am speaking as Capannori municipality citizen. I am a citizen of Capannori. In '96 we defeated an incinerator, and then best practices went on. But the most important message from me is about a zero waste Capannori Research Center. It's a part of the municipality, and I am the responsible. I am part in Ambiente Futuro, Lucca based. Capannori is in Lucca province in Tuscany, very close to Florence. And here is F. Corta, the shop about Patrizia said before. Eco Bimbi about diapers for babies, and the national network, Zero Waste National Network. So you see municipalities, formal sector, and the informal sector, movement, communities, shop, business. I repeat something that Patrizia said before, but maybe it's useful. This is Italian big picture. We have best practices, but also bad practices. You know of Naples. But very close to Naples, there is Salerno. Naples has a war. When I left from Italy, there was a war among police and people. And in Naples, there is the bad situation, maybe in the whole world, about waste management. But in Italy, we have also very interesting best practices. 12 million of the population are involved in very good result of source separation. 55% rate, not only in the north part, but also in the south part, also in Sicily, also in Campania region, also in Tuscany, and so on. Here is the list of Italian zero waste municipality. The number is not so wide, but so big. You see that after Capannori in 2007, other 11 municipalities are moving toward a zero waste declaration. We have a very small municipality, Vinchio, in Piedmont, famous for wine, only 677 population. And in the last, we have also La Spezia, the most populated town with a zero waste goal. My mayor, Giorgio Del Gingaro, Capannori municipality mayor, and this is the poster of zero waste declaration in Capannori. Ecco, I speak to you about the work of Zero Waste Research Center. Our task is studying residuals after very good level of source separation from door-to-door collection. Capannori has around 80% of source separation. And we have a study where we know that a good part of residual is from shoes, all the shoes, and textile, all the habits, all the clothes, diapers, and so on. But we are walking about the first two flow. Here is where in Capannori are amounted the residual. We are visiting the area and we are opening the bags. What we have seen? Diapers, shoes, plastic packaging. Oh, a new entry. And Italian people are very involved in coffee. They like very much coffee. And this is a new way in Italy to have a fast coffee from a famous in Italy, a famous company named Lavazza. Is very famous, a company very important in Italy. We have seen in the bags of a residual many items as this one. Capannori activities for reduction currently adopted. These are my children. I am a primary school teacher, as Rick told before. And last year we had a plastic bottle on the table. Since this year, only glass, only clean glass for tap water, not mineral water. Italians like so much mineral water, but in our school, in all Capannori school, no mineral water. Milk from the farm, as Maxine. Detergent, F. Corta, very famous. A second shop has been opened in Ferrara 3 days ago. And F. Corta is building a network, national network for a new way to have business. Olive oil, wine, pasta, and not only detergent, shampoo, soap, and so on, but also food product can be sold without packaging, plastic packaging. And reusable pampers, and other activities, very important. We are working about this item, but we go on about activities in Capannori. Over 30 shops have replaced the plastic bags with the cotton ones. In Italy, over 150 municipalities at in national level have banned shoppers, plastic bags. At the end of the year, European Union has banned completely all plastic bags. And in Italy, Zero Waste Research Center is studying 3 items. Diapers for older, because we saw that there are many diapers in residual, we are studying how to avoid diapers for older. Coffee pots, shoes. So we are going everywhere in Italy to discover if there are local, national factory, national company involved in best practices. For diapers, we are testing a kind of a reusable pampers with Ecobimbi. Ecobimbi is a small company producing diapers for babies, but now is ready to start with also with pampers for older people. Okay. For shoes, we have contacted and visited a factory producing biodegradable shoes. Its name is Astor Flex. It's very interesting in my opinion. Okay, Astor Flex is full-time, has 70 full-time employers. It's a very good example of EPR. They are working also to produce clean shoes, and not only shoes, but also other part of clothes. About pots, we have seen that there are also Italian company producing not in plastic one, but in biodegradable paper packaging. And other best practices in Italy. This is last minute market. Last minute market is a very interesting activity where social justice is gathering with environment defense. In supermarkets, we have many products are arriving at the end of their life. And last minute market is involved in activities to collect all product going to end of their life and to share them with charity association for poor people. And so we avoid a very big amount of waste, but we are cooperating also with justice. And it's important because Professor Segre, Andrea Segre, is a professor in Bologna University, is part of our scientific board of the Zero Waste Research Center in Capannori. Another Patrizia spoke about, and in Sicily, Ecopunto di Niscemi, of Niscemi, where you can go with paper, with cans, and they give you pasta or other kind of food. F corta, this is the end of my presentation. But I think that we need the facing that technology is not the solution of a waste management issue. The solution of a waste management is information, education, and training. We can save people, we can save health, we can save environment, we can produce green jobs, we can go toward future. It's the only way, and the last law coming from Brazilian government, in my opinion, is a very good help going in this direction. We need the best part of every people, everybody. We need to share the best in every country, because the future is asking this from everybody. Thank you.